Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project, a mini coin sorter. This clever mechanical marvel is perfect for sorting your loose change quickly and efficiently. We're going to build a simple coin sorter using readily available materials, primarily cardboard, making it a budget-friendly and enjoyable project. Get ready to transform that pile of mixed coins into neatly organized stacks. So, what exactly is a coin sorter? Well, it's a device designed to separate coins of different denominations. Our DIY version will utilize a slope track with precisely cut holes. The holes will be sized to allow specific coins to fall through, separating them into designated containers below. It's a fantastic way to organize your change, whether you're saving for something special or just want to keep things tidy. Plus, it's a great project to teach kids about money and basic engineering concepts. Now, let's gather our materials. You'll need some cardboard, the thicker, the better for durability. We'll also need a ruler or measuring tape, a pencil, a craft knife or scissors, and some glue or tape for assembly. For the holes, you'll need a way to make precise circular cuts. You can use a compass, a set of hole punches, or even just carefully trace around coins of the correct sizes. Finally, you'll need containers to catch the sorted coins. Small cups, boxes, or even just folded cardboard compartments will work perfectly. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll cut out the main track for our sorter. This should be a long, sloped piece of cardboard. The slope is important because it uses gravity to move the coins along the track. Make sure the slope isn't too steep, or the coins might slide too quickly. You can experiment with the angle to find what works best. Next, we'll create the holes. This is the critical part. We'll start at the top of the track and work our way down, making progressively larger holes. The first hole should be sized to let a dime fall through, since dimes are the smallest US coin. The next hole will be for pennies. Then, you'll size a hole for nickels. Finally, make the largest hole for quarters. Remember, precision is key here. The holes need to be just the right size to allow each coin to fall through without getting stuck. Once the holes are cut, it's time to assemble the rest of the sorter. Place containers beneath each hole to catch the coins as they fall through. You can use glue or tape to secure the track to a base, creating a stable structure. Make sure the containers are positioned directly under the holes, so the coins drop into them properly. Finally, test the sorter. Pour a handful of mixed coins into the top of the track, and watch the magic happen. The coins should separate neatly into their designated containers. That's it, you've built your own mini coin sorter. This is a simple but effective project that's both fun to build and useful to have around. It's a great way to sort your change, saving time and effort. You can customize your sorter by adjusting the hole sizes for different coin types, or adding more tracks for other currencies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.